By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to invest your money, never having to be like this anymore. Lump sum, DCA. No, lump sum, DCA. My name is Reda and my mission is to help you master your mind, money and destiny, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. Few years ago I decided to learn everything I can about investing, realizing that this was the key to my big goal, financial freedom. And one of the most common questions I found that was never answered properly is this one. Is lump sum investing better than dollar cost averaging or is it the opposite? Let's find out once and for all. If you don't know, lump sum investing is the act of investing a big amount of money all at once. Let's say you just sold your business or got a bonus at work. Lump sum investing would mean that you take all that money and invest it at the same time. While dollar cost averaging means that you take the same amount of money and you invest it slowly over a long period of time. So which one is better? Let's start with this study made by Vanguard. What they found after analyzing multiple markets from 1926 until 2015 is that lump sum investing outperformed dollar cost averaging 2/3 of the time, while dollar cost averaging outperformed lump sum investing only 1/3 of the time. It's pretty logical when you think about it. The markets tend to go up over a long period of time, so it's completely normal that lump sum investing performs better over a long period of time. But is there any catch here? Well, what about the human factor and the fact that we are led by our emotions? To put you into perspective, let's take the average Joe. This could be you, me, or anyone else. Unfortunately, this person lost a loved one and received inheritance for about $400,000. Now think about this number a bit. $400,000. He decides to invest that money, and because he made his research, he decides that slump investing is way better for him. But 1 month after placing his money, the market went down 25%. Exactly like it happened in March 2020. Now this person lost $100,000. How many years of savings is that? And how about the grief that this person still feels? What would you do if this person was you? We are not robots. Yet. We are naturally vulnerable, and in this kind of situations, our instinct will push us to sell, to protect those $300,000 left. So unless you have some very cold blood, you will end up losing $100,000. Of course, this depends a lot on the kind of person you are, how easily you can sleep at night when the markets are down, what's your risk ability, what's your age, will you invest the same way if you are almost retired as if you would be 20 years old? The deal breaker for lump sum investing is that you are always at risk to buy at the wrong time. But with dollar cost averaging, you win on both edges of the sword. If the markets go down, then you buy cheaper. Great. And if the markets go up, then your old investments are now making you money. Great as well. You don't need to be right with dollar cost averaging, and you don't risk to be wrong neither. While with lump sum, you may be tempted to time the market. And like Warren Buffett says, time in the market is always greater than timing the market. If we go back to Vanguard study, we see that overall lump sums outperform dollar cost averaging with only 2%. This means that for a total investment of $100,000, you will get only $2,000 more with lump sum investing 2/3 of the time. So is it worth the risk? Let's be honest here, if you are watching this video, it means that you are still learning about investing and still far from mastering this field. So in your case, dollar cost averaging is the way to go, no questions about it. I am not saying that you should never use lump sums, they can be great, and they should definitely have a place in your future investment strategies, but only after years of experience, when you feel confident that you can sleep at night even when you have money invested in recession. That's another level, so make sure to watch this video that will teach you everything you need to know about investing in recession, and if you haven't done that already, subscribe right here to my channel, as my mission is to help you master your mind, money and destiny. I publish every Monday. See you then!